How to create a solar permit package in 8 simple steps. Step 1. Project information. Open the WebSolar app and choose your project location. Enter the project name. Step 2. Draw your roof. Click on New Segment to draw a new roof section. Continue adding segments as needed to accurately represent your roof. Select the edge of the roof and pull it up to adjust the slope. Step 3. Place modules. Choose a solar module from the provided list. Place the modules on your roof design. Click on the roof segment and set up the setback. Step 4. Add obstacles and trees. Create obstacles on your roof. Create a tree. You can copy trees to save time if there are multiple similar features. Adjust tree parameters as needed. Step 5. Electrical configuration. Select your inverter and place it on the design. Add the service panel and AC disconnect. Step 6. Add annotations. Draw annotations for your project. You can create callouts for your inverter and service panel. You can also add property lines and driveways. Annotations like these are crucial for permit approval. Create the strings and update the electrical configuration by clicking Auto Configuration. Step 7. Run simulation. Run the simulation to review financial and production reports. Analyze the results to make any necessary adjustments. Step 8. Generate your permit package. Review the permit forms for accuracy. Click the download button to get your PDF file. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us via the link provided.